So what is GuideWire? So much in demand. Everyone is talking about GuideWire. Business analysts, product owners, they are inquiring about GuideWire training. So GuideWire is a trailblazer and #1 core insurance solution for insurance industry. It is helping insurance companies manage their policy administration systems, their claims systems and billings. So please understand that policy management, claims and billing are 3 core areas of an insurance company. But they are not the only ones. There are so many other areas also. GuideWire is built for property and casualty insurance industry, and it is tailored for property and casualty insurance. GuideWire supports digital transformation. GuideWire supports, digital solution for all the stakeholders of insurance industry, be they underwriters, be they claims processors, be they agents or brokers or producers. Everyone benefits by use of GuideWire. The insureds or the clients of insurance company can also interact with the online interface being made available in the GuideWire through its self-service options. One of the key promises of GuideWire is that it is modernizing legacy systems and it is replacing the monolithic architecture with a multi-tier architecture. GuideWire products. So 3 main GuideWire products are PolicyCenter. PolicyCenter automates the policy administration process. It includes creation of policies, policy transactions, and managing the whole policy life cycle. Yet another GuideWire product is the GuideWire BillingCenter, which maintains the customer billing, customer payments. So when we say customer payments, it is typically the insurance premiums. Billing is basically invoicing these insureds about their premium installments. Then there is ClaimCenter. ClaimCenter helps insurance companies manage the entire claims process, starting from first notice of loss until the claims settlement in an easy manner. Add-on GuideWire products. Please understand, it is not the PolicyCenter or ClaimCenter or BillingCenter, though they automate the core processes of insurance industry, are the only GuideWire products. GuideWire has got several add-on products. GuideWire has got a data platform which provides analytics and reporting tools for the insurance company. It has got digital portals. These digital portals help the customer or the insured, and there are the digital portals which are available for producers or agents and also for brokers. So producers and agents can put in policy proposals, can basically check the status of the insurance policy and transactions on insurance policy for their customer accounts. And customers or insureds can also do the self-service. And then GuideWire has got a very unique product which is Insurance Suite on Cloud. So for small insurers, GuideWire provides a facility wherein you can use a cloud-based version of all the 3 core products. So Insurance Cloud implementation promises quick implementation in a controlled budget or on an optimum budget. What are the implementation options which are available for GuideWire? So these implementation options are cloud-based implementations, which is basically the GuideWire Cloud. This is fully managed by GuideWire and the implementation is on the cloud. Then large insurers can opt for on-premise implementations, so installed and managed on your own servers. So when we say on your own servers, it is basically the servers of the insurance companies. There are hybrid options also available, which is a combination of cloud and on-premise implementations. Digital integration. Today, good amount of integration is required for any system of consequence with other third-party softwares. GuideWire is seamlessly integrated with other related software applications. How does GuideWire achieve this? GuideWire achieves this through APIs which connect seamlessly with other systems, through third-party systems, so say for example payment, CRM or analytics tools. Please also understand that there can be an insurer who may utilize policy administration system or PolicyCenter from GuideWire, but still rely on, say, agency system, which has been yet another system from yet another company. So it is not necessary that if an insurer opts for GuideWire to start with, may opt for all the 3 core products. So when we talk about integration, it is basically integration of GuideWire with external systems, All these three GuideWire core systems, PolicyCenter, ClaimCenter and BillingCenter, are designed in such a manner that there is a seamless information exchange between all the three. Digital transformation. How does GuideWire provide digital transformation or digital experiences to all the stakeholders with ease? You see, GuideWire provides to us modern interfaces, browser-based interfaces, and easy-to-use portal for its users. GuideWire provides automation. So this automation is straight-through processing or straight processing, end-to-end processing for key flows like, say, underwriting, or claims processing, etc. And real-time data is available to the stakeholders on requirement basis and on authorization basis. This real-time data enables faster decisions. This is how GuideWire provides digital transformation. For an insurance company, a fast product rollout is a lifeblood in these days of change. So what do we mean by a fast product rollout? Here I'll tell you, please differentiate between an insurance product and GuideWire software, which is, you see, a software product. So as IT professionals or as product managers, when we talk about product, this GuideWire product is always in our mind. For an insurance company, they offer products to their customers or their insureds, prospective insureds. So what are those products? So those are these insurance products, and ability to offer new products quickly to the market is what will differentiate between a successful insurer and a not so successful insurer. So GuideWire has got product designers, advanced product designer, I'm writing APD here, and product designer features which allows the insurance company operations design new products, configure these products on the software, and this rollout is not in months but only in limited number of weeks. For implementation, GuideWire provides reusable templates. GuideWire is now implemented in anywhere around 1,000 plus insurance companies all over the world. So reusable templates, the implementation experience of GuideWire, all that helps. Then GuideWire promises good amount of configuration tools so that with minimal coding, the out-of-the-box implementation could be carried out. Moving ahead, you may be interested to take up a business analyst role, a product manager role, or an implementer's role on a GuideWire implementation. So what are your activities as a business analyst? So typical activities will include gather requirements, understand what the business needs. Not only you need to understand, you see, requirement elicitation techniques like interview technique or brainstorming or questionnaire technique or wireframe development. You also need to appreciate and understand in deep the insurance processes. So you are someone who knows GuideWire, you are someone who knows core business analyst skills, and you are someone who is also good in insurance domain skills. Creating user stories. So you write user stories, and these user stories will be mapped to the GuideWire features, and there is a very specific method which GuideWire utilizes for its implementation, which is basically development of, I write it here, development of user story cards. So user story cards are much detailed compared to user stories, and these user story cards help the GuideWire implementation. And the design of these user story cards is tailored to accelerate GuideWire implementation. There are so many already available user story cards with GuideWire implementation resources. As a business analyst, you need to work with developers. Developers many a times will be working on the GoSul logic, which is the internal GuideWire development environment. So you need to work alongside with them. As there will be a new delivery or a new release, you have to test the features, test the workflows, and user training will also be your goal and your role. And during the go live phase, you have to support the launch, new user onboarding, user training, etc. So these are your activities. Remember the three skills: core business analyst skills, domain skills, and GuideWire skills. This is what we will expect from you. Let's focus a bit on GuideWire design philosophy. This is a modular design. When we say modular design, these products, say for example, PolicyCenter or BillingCenter or ClaimCenter, all these products are softwares with fully developed end-to-end functionality when it will come to their module. But these modules are tightly integrated with each other, so there is good amount of information exchange, and there is also ability to integrate with other external systems. GuideWire is a customer-centric software. It has been made in a manner that configurations can be taken up without heavy coding, and then it is a scalable solution. What is the GoSu programming environment or development environment for GuideWire? So GuideWire GoSu environment is a custom language built for working on the GuideWire Studio. This language has been developed by GuideWire and it suits the requirement of the GuideWire system. So custom language, which is GoSu. GuideWire software has been developed on the Java platform, and via business logic you can customize the workflows and rules. The GoSu language is easy to learn and very similar to Java programming language. It is not necessary for business analysts to learn GoSu, but if you understand the programming construct and if you appreciate the logic, that's good and fine. Page configuration files. So what are page configuration files? Page configuration files help us control the UI layout, how the screens will look and behave. These are prepared in XML format. And not only it is business analyst friendly, this page configuration file is a stakeholder friendly file. It supports configuration, customization, and you can tailor your screens according to your business needs. You can add new fields here, and the design is such it does not require any programming. GuideWire technology stack. As a business analyst, you need to appreciate the GuideWire technology stack. So as I have told you, the GuideWire software has been prepared with the Java programming language. So Java is the core programming language. GoSu is the internal programming language derived out of Java, which is used for business logic scripting. Spring framework is utilized for application configuration, and for integration, web services, REST and SOAP APIs are used for integration. Working with system integrators. You see, one key factor which has led to success of GuideWire all through is basically its ability to work with reputed system integrators and having a partner ecosystem which helps GuideWire roll out its products. The system integrators also provide implementation supports. They do configuration, best practices, and shared methodologies and frameworks are provided by GuideWire to these system integrators. And the GuideWire implementation methodology is what GuideWire calls your path. It is a joint delivery methodology, or rather I can say this delivery methodology is such in which the system integrator, the client, and GuideWire, all the three parties have some shared responsibilities, and all the three parties work towards the success of the GuideWire implementation. How does GuideWire integrate with other softwares? Open APIs, easy to connect with external systems, event messaging, plug and play hooks, and then there is secure data exchange. So open APIs, just for you to remember, event messaging, plug and play hooks, and secure data exchange. So this is a bit about GuideWire, and to recap, GuideWire is the #1 product from GuideWire company. It is a core insurance system for managing insurance company operations. GuideWire is known for its integration and configuration abilities. GuideWire works with large number of system integrators to ensure success. GuideWire platform has been built utilizing Java programming language, and GoSu is the internal development platform through which you can customize and configure GuideWire for your own individual implementation. This is Vijay Shekhar Shukla, your trainer, signing off for now. Thank you.